the next big commercial hub in the city of Lagos, and over the weekend, we had a number of clients and realtors storm the best-selling Maxford Estate in Ekpe for a live tour of the property. The traffic of sales since then has been massive, to say the least. Indeed, with all of the benefit that comes with owning a piece of this property, be rest assured that this is the best place to invest. As they say, if you are not buying Maxford Estate Ekpe, you are wrong. Anticipate a price increase on this property soon.